Good morning, students. So, after a long duration, after your summer vacation, we all are assembled by this WhatsApp video to start the journey of class 8 once again. So, playing with numbers chapter was completed and NCERT portion was completed, but I wanted to go for a few extra questions. So, we are going to start the extra questions of this chapter. So students, one thing before starting the chapter or before starting the questions which we are going to do, I want to tell you that these questions you have to do in fair notebook as it is in your fair notebook. So questions also I will show you in this video, so you don't need to worry about that. Now let us start. So as question number 1 you can see, replace A, B, C, D by suitable numerals in the following. So A, B and C pattern is given to us 6A, B 5, D 5, 8, C. This is given, and then the solution is 9, 3, 5, 1. We have to tell the value of A, B, C and D. As you can see clearly in the question. So question I am not going to write, you can see from the book. Replace A, B, C, D by suitable numerals in the following. So this is the question given to us. So students, 5 plus C is given 1. When it is possible, which number should be added to 5 to get 1? Think in this way. Which number should be added to 5 to get 1? So the answer is, it must be 6. Because 6 plus 5, last digit will be 1, 11. So C should be what? C should be 6. So replace C by 6. So 6AB in 5 and D 5, 8. C will be how much? C is equal to 6. So one thing we have calculated, that is C. And then we are getting 9, 3, 5, 1. 6 plus 5, 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus which number will be 5? 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus which number will be give the last digit 5? So it should be 9 plus 6 should be 15. So B should be how much? 6. So let us replace it by 6. So 6A in place of B, it will be 6. 6A, 6, 5. D 5, 8, 6. And then 9, 3, 5, 1. 6 plus 5, 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 8, 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 5, 6. Now which number should be added to 6 to get 3? 6 plus 7 is 13. So A should be how much? 7. So replace A by 7. So this will become 6A. In place of A there will be 7. So 6, 7, 6, 5. D 5, 8, 6. Answer is 9, 3, 5, 1. 6 plus 5, 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 8, 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 7, 8 plus 5, 13. Carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus which number will give you 9? So 7 plus 2 will give you 9. So D should be how much? 2. So these are our answer. C is 6, B is 6, A is 7, D is 2. Let us check it. A is 7. Correct. D 2. Correct. All answers are correct. So this is how we have to do. Now let us do the second question. Question number 2. That's example 2 in this book. So I am not going to write the question. You may see from the book. Find the values of A, B and C in the following. 3, 5A, 3, 5A minus CB 8. What's the answer? 183. So from which number 8 should be subtracted to get 3? Think in this way. From which number 8 should be subtracted to get 3? Answer is 11. 11 minus 8 will be 3. So A should be, A is the 1st digit of 11, so it will be 1. So replace A by 1. 3, 5, 1. C, B, 8. Subtracted, you are getting 183. 11 minus 8, 3. So here it will be 4. Now 4 minus which number will give you 8? Think in this way. 4 minus which number will give you 8? So 14 minus 6 will be 8. So this should be 6. So B should be 6. Now replace it by 6. You will get 3, 5, 1, C. In place of B, it will be 6. And then 8 as it is. So 11 minus 8, 3. Then this will become, because of the carry, it will become 4. 4 minus 14 minus 6, 8. Now carry you have taken, so it will become 2. Now 2 minus C is 1. 2 minus which number will give you 1? So that is 1. So C should be 1. A is 1, B is 6, C is 1. You can check the answer, that's correct. Now let us solve the third example as it is given in the book. So I am showing you the question, don't worry about that. Find the values of A and B in the following. 1A into 6, sorry, 4A into 6 gives 2B4. Question number 3. Write it from the book. Find the values of A and B in the following. 4A into 6. 4A multiply 6 is providing you how much? 2B4. Now 6 into which number will give you 4 in the unit place digit? 6 4s are 24. So A should be how much? 4. So replace A by 4. So 4 4 into 6. 6 4s are 24. Carry 2. 6 4s are 24 plus 2. 26. So what is in place of B? You are getting 6. So B will be how much? 6. That's the answer. I hope you understood this. Now let us solve the new question. Fourth question. Question number 4. It is example number 4 in this book. Find the values of A, B, C when AB into BA. AB into BA is how much? B, C, B. Now A into B is providing you how much? B. A into B is equal to B. So A should be which number? Which number should be multiplied to A? To A to get B. Think in this way. A into B is equal to B. So A should be 1. Because 1 into B is B. That's possible only. So replace A by 1. In place of A, here will be 1, B, then B again. In place of A, it will be 1. So 1B into B, B. 1 into 1, 1. Now then multiply sign. B into B, B square. B into 1, B. Now add it. When you will add it, you will get B plus 0, B. 1 plus B square. This will be 1 plus B square. And here it is B only. Now compare this equation by this equation. See, in place of B, you are getting B, correct? In place of C, you are getting 1 plus B square. So C is equal to 1 plus B square. Now this 1 plus B square should be a single digit number. That is possible for B is equal to 1. But if A is equal to 1, B cannot be 1. A is actually 1. B should not be 1. Because think in this way, 1 plus B square is a single digit number. 1 plus B square is a single digit number. If you replace B by 1, so this will be 1 plus 1 square. 1 plus 1 square means 2. That's a single digit number. Okay, fine. But this is not possible because B cannot be equal to 1. Now replace B by 2. If B is 2, so C will be how much? 1 plus B square means 2 square. So 1 plus 4. That will be 5. Okay, correct? Okay, if we try any other number, suppose we are trying 3. So this C will be 1 plus 3 square. 1 plus 3 square means 1 plus 9. 10. C is not a single digit number. So C, there is only one possibility. Because B cannot be equal to 1. Okay. And B cannot equal to 10 as it is a 2 digit number. So there is only one possibility that B should be how much? 2. Then B is 2. C is ultimately by itself. C is 5. And A already we have calculated and that was how much? 1. So this is how we can solve. Now students, let us solve another question. That is example number 5 in this book. Find the values of A, B and C in the following. So 9, in division we have to do 4AB, 5C. And whole question I am writing. Only you have to write, find the values of A, B and C. Then you are getting 3B, 3, 6, minus 0. Now students, 9 5s are, this should be how much? 45. It is written correct. Now which number minus 5 will give you 3? A minus 5 is 3. Which number minus 5 will give you 3? That is 8. So A should be how much? 8. Fine. So replace A by 8 here. Replace A by 8. So this will be 9 4 8 B. 4 5 8 minus 5 3 B. Now B should be what? B should be equal to 6, because as you can clearly see that 36 minus 36 only give you 0. So B should be how much? 6. Now what should be the value of C? 9. Which number will be multiplied to 9 to get 36? That is 4. So C should be how much? 4. So this is how we may solve. So few extra questions we have done today, and few more we will do later. And please complete this work in your fair notebook. So thank you. God bless.